Hello everyone, here's Nico. Welcome to my channel. As a product manager, it is very important to measure the health of the product. If we don't measure, the product cannot upgrade. This video will talk about product metrics. Here we go. Every product manager needs to know what is product metrics and how to use the product metrics. Because through using product metrics can achieve our product strategic goals. If we do not measure, our product will not improve, will not upgrade. So it is very important to using product metrics as a product manager when we are design products. Normally, a healthy loop of one product is the first one is the product is easy to understand, and also it is very easy to start to use it. And the last but not least is the customers want and willing to come back to our products to use, to explore. So there are three different kind of metrics related to products, in my own opinion. Let's see the first metric is business metric. Monthly recurring revenue is also called MRR. This metric is to measure one product's total revenue in 1 month. Average revenue per user also is ARPU. It is the average revenue that's being generated through one user. This metric is normally to define the future service revenue and also can be used to change the pricing plan. How to get the ARPU? Its monthly recurring revenue divided by total number of users will be the average revenue per user. We can use these two metrics to measure the health of the company. Customer lifetime value. It is to calculate how much money one user can generate in the long term before they stop to use. How we get this metric is to throw the average revenue per user multiple the average customer lifetime. Customer acquisition costs. This cost covers all the money that's spent on attracting the customers. For example, the marketing spendings and the sales team's work, advertising spend. We get this metric is through how much the total spendings we spend through sales and marketing to get the new user, to divide it by the total number of users we get in a period. We use these two metrics, CLTV and CAC, these two metrics together to identify whether our customers can bring us the least profit than what we have spent to attract them. Next, let's see the user metrics. There are two metrics that are very important. They are daily active user and monthly active user. If our daily active user divided by monthly active user can be over than 20%, it means it's a good sign for our product, means we are growing. These metrics can allow us to tracking the growth or decline of one product. And the DAU divided by MAU, this ratio can be used in forecasting, budgeting, or make a decision to develop the new features. Traffic, paid or organic, this metric normally is being used to websites. If it's other software or app, we use users, this kind of concept. Bounce rate, this metric measuring the percentage of users who visited only one page of one website or app is to track the user behavior and also for us can understand better how to optimize our product to reduce this number, to increase our users' attention to our whole product. Customer retention rate, CRR, it is very important metric for products. This is the metric, is the percentage of customers who stayed with our company, with our product after a certain time period, after a long time. If in some cases this metric will drop, it maybe means that we are having a new competitor in the highly competitive market, or we have some bugs in our software, or we are having some problems in customer service. Churn rate, this measure is very important too, is to measure the users that we have lost. And this kind of metric can measure the popularity of new or old features and can tell us a lot about customer satisfaction. When we are introducing a new feature in our software, for example, we can use this churn rate to justify, to validate whether our new feature works or not. Last but not least, Net Promoter Score, NPS. This metric is to measure the number of loyalty customers who are willing to recommend our product. This metric can do from one kind of questionnaire, is to let our customers to rank our product from 0 to 10. Normally, if ranking is 9 to 10, it means they are promoters. If it's 0 to 6, it means they are distractors. If it's 7 to 8, it's just neutral users. Last, let us see the product metrics. Number of sessions per user. It means how many times, how often one user open or use our product. This metric can reveal the popularity about our product. Number of users action per session. This metric is to measure the actions a user made or the features the users used when they are using our software. This metric can make us to understand better about the popularity of one certain feature or one certain function. We can use this metric, this data, in A/B testing when we are making a decision about what kind of feature we need to adopt in our software. This is all what we started today about product metrics. It is really very important for a product manager. You can see it from 3 different views: business metrics, user metrics, and product metrics. Another thing I wanted to mention is one product can have this kind of development, introduction, growth, maturity, and decline. Majority, 99% of product will face this kind of phases. And also in different phase in our product, we use the product metrics. What we want to focus on will be different. Like, for example, if we are in the introduction, this phase, maybe we need to measure more about how many new users is coming to our software, and the retention rate, how many users will stay with us. If we are in a growth phase, it is very important for us to know the retention rate, the churn rate, and also the active users, the bounce rate, also the product metrics, the number of user actions per session, for us to upgrade our products. Finally, thank you for watching. Please make your own history and see you next time.